Get ready to go pee pee poo poo Justin Day Downs. What what? Man, he didn't hold the door open for a pimp or a player. What's up with that shenanigans? Looks like they brought us some package. This is Haven's Homestead. Thanks for watching. Good boy, pee pee poo poo jumping doo doo. What's this little booty doody doing? Huh? What's this guy doing? We gonna get you. What y'all guys doing? Huh? Little bit. Boy, boy, boy. What's up, pimp? Yeah, I see ya. Time to get that water filled. Come on, players. Ha ha. 'Cause he's a princey plowboy, plowing around the yard. What do we got to disregard? Billy, Juju, leave them babies alone. I hear some turkeys up in there. What's up, Pimp Skitties? Pimp C Plowboy. Plowboy, what's up, big turk? You ready to lose your head? You mess around with them, you're gonna lose your head. Them indica chicken. Man, you better not be running up on my chicken heads. What's up, players? Chicken head. Bark, bark, chicken, bark, bark, chicken head. Bark, bark, chicken, bark, bark, chicken head. Ha, ha. Man, this chick, she be dragging her hair. I call her, oh, that's not the one with the long hair. There's one that I call Rapunzel. Rapunzel, let down your long hair, Rapunzel. Look at this frizzy, easy. What's up, Dr. Drizzy? You a big old fluffy fluffer. Leg bar. Man, you look like you got somebody knock the stuffings out of you, girl. Leg bar. Black Pepper Marizan. Yeah. I think this is a Black Pepper Marin right here, too. Yep. Two different kind right there. I don't know what the heck. We got black feet, we got white feet. They look alike though. All of our birds are purebred gangsters. Jojo! No. Hey! Go wake him up. Go see what that puppy's doing. Oh, that woke him up. He's like, what the hell? I take a nap and wake up and now, bam! All up in my head a belly. Leave it alone. What the fuck y'all doing, players? Come on, man. It's too hot out here, man. Juju, bring it on in, baby. Bring it on in. I got work to do, man. I can't be messing around with you dogs. Men got work to do. Us men got things to dizzle. Little bezel for rizzle. Time to get up and put you up, man. Where you at, little Bizzle? There's that little. Come on, Joe. Bring it on in, Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Drizzle. Motherfucker. Dude, belly, don't be in chicken shit. Peace. Yeah. Please like and subscribe. God bless y'all.